The universe is orchestrating a soul-level connection with a person younger than you, and the profound purpose behind this will leave you in awe. You might have questioned it. Your mind might have protested the very idea, but a feeling deep in your spirit tells you this alignment is no accident. Something sacred is unfolding. Sometimes healing does not arrive dressed in familiarity. It appears cloaked in contrast, a fresh perspective, a lighter energy, a joyful spirit that rekindles a fire you thought had grown cold. The person meant to awaken your heart may not fit the worn pages of your old story. They are here to help you write a new one. The world may measure in years, but destiny measures in soulful resonance. A younger partner is being guided into your orbit for a reason that resonates with your core. Let's explore the profound why behind this divine alignment. First, to reawaken your inner essence. Reflect for a moment. There was a time in your journey when the playful part of you grew quiet. The hopeful part grew cautious. The dreamer within decided to be practical instead. You became the anchor, the wise one, the caregiver. You aged in spirit before your time, and so the cosmos, in its infinite wisdom, sent a spark, a soul whose energy is sunrise to your twilight. They laugh openly. They dream without the weight of past failures. Their love isn't a transaction, it's a celebration. Their presence doesn't highlight your age, it resurrects your aliveness. Slowly you remember what it's like to anticipate, to feel lightness instead of heaviness, to truly live rather than merely endure. This connection isn't just about romance, it's a spiritual revival. Second, because you have earned this through your spiritual maturity, this is not a random pairing. It is a divine acknowledgement of your inner work. You have navigated heartache. You have cultivated patience. You no longer seek love from a place of lack, but from a place of wholeness. The universe sees your steadiness and now entrusts you with a vibrant soul who is still learning life's deeper rhythms. You become their sanctuary, a calm harbor. In return, they offer you renewed wonder, a refreshing energy, a different kind of light. It's a sacred exchange, your depth for their vitality, your peace for their passion. Together, you create a perfect, harmonious balance. Third, this connection serves a mutual healing mission. Have you ever considered that some people enter our lives not merely as partners, but as healers? Your paths didn't cross by chance. A greater plan has been at work, weaving your timelines together long before you met. You may have prayed for comfort and been gifted joy personified. You may have sought closure and found understanding in human form. They listen to stories you thought were forgotten. They hold space for your past without judgment. Their simple presence is a balm. Your steady wisdom is their guide. In their eyes, you don't see your age. You see your timeless worth. They heal your solitude. You heal their uncertainty. This is divine reciprocity in motion. Fourth, true love transcends earthly measurements. In the realm of spirit, there is no calendar. Souls are ageless. Your connection feels instant and deep because, on a level beyond memory, you recognize each other. The world sees an age gap and whispers. The universe sees a soul contract and smiles. One heart carries the wisdom of the journey, the other carries the hope of the path ahead. Together, they create a complete light. Love values spiritual alignment, not birth dates. Fifth, this relationship teaches you the art of unconditional love. A younger partner often loves with a refreshing absence of calculation. They love with curiosity, not caution, with freedom, not fear. This dynamic challenges you to love without the need to control, to build bridges from your differences. You stop worrying about outside opinions because a love sanctioned by something greater needs no one's permission. You learn to let love be expansive and trusting. You aren't raising them. You are elevating each other. They teach you to find joy in simplicity. You teach them to find strength in depth. Perhaps your past taught you that love is arduous. This time the universe is declaring, let love be gentle. Let it be effortless. Let it be freeing. Sixth and finally, to redefine what love can feel like for you. This love is different. It doesn't deplete you. It replenishes you. It doesn't create chaos. It cultivates peace. It feels like a homecoming to a place within yourself you had locked away. This soul shows you that love can be both profoundly peaceful and delightfully playful. It's in the late conversations filled with laughter. It's in the effortless understanding. They are like a fresh breeze revitalizing a room long sealed. Love begins to feel light again, sacred again, true again. This is the universe restoring your faith in softness, in connection, in deserved joy. If this message resonates with you right now, it's not a coincidence. The universe is preparing your heart for a love that may not match your old blueprint, but perfectly matches your soul's blueprint. This person isn't here to make you feel younger. They are here to make you feel more authentically you. They are here not to replace your past, but to reveal a breathtaking future where you are deeply seen, cherished, and chosen. This time, love won't break you. It will rebuild you. This time, you receive the purity and devotion you've always given to others. Did this stir something within you? If your soul is whispering yes, then trust this unfolding. And if this video brought you clarity or hope, please press like. It truly supports this channel, Wines of Thought, and helps these messages reach others who need them. Share your thoughts or a simple, "I trust this" in the comments below. Your journey is beautiful, and it's just beginning.